Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Chase Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start saving with Chase Bank, the first step is to open a Chase savings account. Visit the Chase Bank website or your local branch to begin the application process. Gather the necessary documents, such as your ID, social security number, and proof of address. Complete the online application or speak with a representative at the branch. Once your account is set up, decide how much you want to save each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will help you build your savings consistently without even thinking about it. Next, explore the different savings account options offered by Chase. Chase offers various accounts, including standard savings, high-interest savings, and goal-specific. Choose the account that best fits your savings goals and needs. After selecting an account, keep an eye on your savings balance. Regularly check for any fees associated with your savings account. Understand how to avoid these fees, such as maintaining a minimum balance or linking accounts. Take advantage of Chase's online and mobile banking tools to track your progress. Consider using budgeting tools that can help you visualize your savings goals. If you're saving for specific goals, such as a vacation or a new car, open a dedicated savings account. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Review your savings plan regularly and adjust your contributions as your financial situation changes. Keep an eye out for promotions or bonuses offered by Chase for new savings customers. Take time to educate yourself about interest rates and how they affect your saving strategy. Remember, your savings are federally insured, providing peace of mind. Finally, remain disciplined and committed to your savings plan for long-term success. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving effectively with Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.